A budget-friendly pump that can actually be your bestie. Another day, another pump. So for today's video, we are going to unbox this Mame Bestie. So this is the newest version of their pump. If I'm not mistaken, naka-release na sila ng 4 versions. Yung 1 na walang pause button. Number 2 is yung may pause button na. And then number 3, yung red, which is yung Mother's Day special nila last year. And then ngayon is with pause and lock buttons na. Bestie has 2 variants. One comes with breast kits and one comes with hands-free cups. So, what we have here today for our unboxing video is their hands-free cups. So, tara, let's unbox! So today we are going to assemble the Mame Bestie cups. So let's start with the connector and the diaphragm. And then the valve. Make sure it's tight. And you get the cups. Make sure it snaps. There's a guide here where you should snap your connector. There. Then, finally, let's connect the silicone flanges. Once the spout is aligned, make sure that the silicone flanges is sealed. There you go. So this pump is perfect for moms on a budget. Napaka-reliable nitong pump na to. Portable siya at ang liit-liit niya lang. Super gaan niya. Pwede mo siyang ihang. Tapos pwede mo lang itago sa loob ng damit mo to. Pwede ganyan. Tapos napakatahimik nitong pump na to. If hindi naman masyadong tahimik yung room, perfect na perfect tong pump for you. So if you like this unboxing video, don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. Repost if meron for more. Bye!